Switzerland during Christmas feels like stepping into a snow-covered postcard. Mountains glowing under winter light, villages wrapped in warm golden lanterns, and markets filled with the scent of cinnamon and roasted chestnuts. December transforms the entire country into a winter realm, where festive traditions meet world-class landscapes. Whether you're exploring Alpine towns, riding panoramic trains, or wandering through storybook markets, Christmas in Switzerland is nothing short of magical. Why Switzerland feels different? In December, traveling to Switzerland at Christmas isn't just about snow or scenery, it's the atmosphere. Swiss towns take winter seriously. Streets are cleaned even after heavy snowfall, trains run with precision, and every corner feels intentionally designed for comfort. Cafes glow with window candles, families gather around fondue pots, and mountains echo with holiday songs from village choirs. There's a cozy calmness mixed with pure excitement, making December feel both peaceful and alive at the same time. You also get a strong blend of cultural traditions. Switzerland is a mix of German, French, Italian, and Romansh influences, and each region celebrates Christmas a little differently. In the German-speaking areas, you'll find Advent wreaths, handmade wooden toys, and warm Glühwein. In the French regions, you'll see elegant lights and gourmet Christmas pastries. Down in Italian-speaking Ticino, palm trees grow beside nativity scenes, creating a unique contrast. All of this makes the country feel like multiple Christmases packed into one small, beautiful place. Zurich lights luxury and the famous singing Christmas tree. Zurich becomes a festive stage in December. Bahnhofstrasse, one of the most famous shopping streets in Europe, is covered in thousands of sparkling crystals that shine above your head as you walk. The Old Town hosts several Christmas markets, each with its own charm. But the star attraction is the singing Christmas tree, where children stand on a tiered stage shaped like a giant tree and perform carols. If you want an elegant, city-style Christmas, Zurich delivers perfectly. Lucerne, a fairy tale by the lake. Lucerne feels like a storybook village in December. Snow settles on the chapel bridge, lights reflect off Lake Lucerne, and the medieval streets glow with festive decorations. The town's markets are filled with artisanal crafts, handmade candles, and warm raclette plates you can enjoy right on the street. What makes Lucerne special is the contrast of calm water against towering mountains. Even a simple evening walk becomes unforgettable. Many travelers also use Lucerne as a base to explore Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi, both stunning in winter. Geneva Christmas by a global lakefront. Geneva offers a more refined and international Christmas vibe. Its market on Parc des Bastions includes live music, gourmet food stalls, and large wooden cabins serving Alpine dishes. The Jet d'Eau fountain lights up at night, and the Old Town has a classy charm with elegant decorations and boutique shops. Geneva is also known for its chocolate, so December becomes the perfect season for tasting pralines, truffles, and hot chocolate from legendary chocolatiers. Zermatt, the iconic Matterhorn, Wonderland. If you want the classic snowy Christmas, Zermatt is the dream. The village sits right beneath the Matterhorn, one of the world's most famous peaks. Streets are car-free, everything smells like pine and fondue, and horse-drawn sleighs glide through the snow. Christmas concerts fill the local churches, and the skiing is world-class. Even if you don't ski, you can take the Gornergrat Railway for unbelievable Matterhorn views. The landscape looks like it's pulled straight from a fantasy movie. Interlaken Gateway to Alpine Adventures. Interlaken shines during Christmas with beautiful lights, winter markets, and a festive walkway between its two lakes. But what makes it especially exciting is the adventure factor. From Interlaken, you can take the famous train to Jungfrau-Joch, known as the Top of Europe, where snow looks untouched and flawless even in December. The surrounding villages like Lauterbrunnen also feel magical with their frozen waterfalls and cozy wooden chalets. St. Moritz, luxury in the snow. For travelers who want Christmas with glamour, St. Moritz is synonymous with high-end winter travel. Its frozen lake hosts winter polo, the town is full of luxury boutiques, and the hotels feel like elegant winter palaces. But even if you're not here for luxury, the natural beauty is unreal. Sun shines more often here than almost anywhere else in the Alps, making the snow glow like polished silver. The most beautiful Christmas markets. Switzerland's Christmas markets feel charming rather than chaotic. They are smaller, more intimate, and focused on quality. In Basel, you'll find one of Europe's best markets, spread across Barfußerplatz and Münsterplatz, with beautiful handcrafted ornaments and pastries. Montreux hosts a lakeside Christmas market where wooden cabins line the water, and Santa Claus literally flies across the sky during nightly shows. Bern's Market in the Old Town specializes in handmade crafts, including wooden toys, candles, jewelry, and traditional Swiss decorations. Every market has its own personality, but all feature warm food, classic Swiss treats, and friendly vendors. Food that makes winter feel warmer. Food plays a major role in the Swiss Christmas experience. December is the month when everyone gathers around hot, comforting dishes. Every traveler must try Swiss fondue, melted cheese served with bread, potatoes, and sometimes pickles. Raclette is another favorite, a wheel of cheese melted and scraped over potatoes. It's simple but unbelievably satisfying. Street markets also serve hot chocolate so thick it feels like melted chocolate bars, along with gingerbread, roasted chestnuts, and holiday pastries. If you visit the Italian-speaking region, you'll find panettone, espresso, and warm winter pastas served near glowing Christmas lights. Every meal adds to the festive atmosphere, turning even simple food into a memory. Why the scenic trains are a must in December? Switzerland's panoramic train rides become magical in December. The Glacier Express, often called the slowest express train in the world, takes you through snow valleys, frozen rivers, and mountain villages that look untouched by time. The Bernina Express crosses the Alps from Chur into Italy and offers some of the most stunning winter landscapes on Earth. Even everyday train routes feel special. Snowy forests, icy lakes, and white-covered rooftops pass by like moving paintings. Swiss trains also run on time, even in heavy snow, making winter travel smooth and reliable. Festive activities to enjoy. December in Switzerland is full of things to do. You can go ice skating in city squares, take cable cars up frozen mountains, join torchlit walks through snowy forests, visit thermal spas surrounded by icy peaks, or try winter sports even if you've never skied before. Villages often host Christmas parades, concerts, and night markets. Even a simple walk through a mountain village becomes an adventure because everything looks magical under the winter lights. Practical tips for traveling during Christmas. Weather can be cold, but Switzerland is incredibly well prepared. The country does get busy during the holidays, so booking early is smart, especially for mountain towns and special train journeys. Carrying warm layers is essential, but you don't need heavy gear unless you're skiing. Cities remain walkable, and public transport is efficient enough that you might not need a car at all. Most restaurants and markets accept cards, but carrying a little cash is useful for small stalls. And because Switzerland is safe, clean, and organized, traveling here during Christmas feels effortless, even for first-time visitors. A Christmas experience you'll never forget. Traveling to Switzerland during Christmas feels like entering a world built around winter wonder. Snow-covered towns, glowing lakes, charming markets, and breathtaking mountains create a holiday atmosphere unlike anywhere else in Europe. Whether you come for the landscapes, the food, the traditions, or simply the warmth of Swiss winter culture, December here becomes a memory that stays with you forever. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.